Welcome back to the channel, Glampers. I'm Mike from Those Who Glamp Together. You can't see Joni, but she's behind the camera.
Hello.
Today we are installing a rear view camera on the rig, and it's good for so many reasons. One, you can see behind you while you're driving down the road. You can monitor if you have anything on the back, and part of that for us is about a year ago, we had two bicycles on the back of our rig, two electric e-bikes. We lost one, and we had no idea we lost it until we got home. We drove 2.5 hours back to find it and never could find it. So it's very important for us to be able to see. We don't carry our bikes back there right now, but in the future we may want to, again, to get space back in the RV. But so many other reasons to have a rear view camera when you're backing in. We are actually installing the HaloView BT7, which stands for Bike Tango 7. I'm sure that's some sort of nerd jargon that I don't understand, but hey, it's really good. So it comes with everything you need. It's got a 7-inch screen, the camera, and all the attachments. It should be a very simple install because like most RVs today, ours was pre-wired for the Furrion, but this should just plug and play. So let's get at it. So first thing is just to remove that old, the old Furrion cover. See what's behind there. There should be wires attached. Okay, so I'm taking off their rubber gasket, which I may be able to use again, I don't know. But I noticed it came with this little attachment, and it's already attached to the wire. So I think we have an attachment like this. Yeah, that's it. So for us, it's really simple. Ours came with an attachment already like this, and it had this in here for such an attachment. So I gotta take the new gasket, push this piece through so I get the gasket up against here. Let me get some prep work done here that I wasn't expecting, and we'll be right back. Our camper is filthy. All right, so because we had the black cable that just plug and play with this, we got to verify it works. I'm not putting anything together until we know it works. So Joni's going to pull the truck around so we can plug the camper into the truck, get power to this, and then she's going to have that inside the truck, and we're going to just see if we've got a signal and picture. So let's get to doing that.
So Mike's going to be plugging an antenna in. See if we get a signal out of it. Hey, we have a picture. And audio. Look at the face. He's so cute. Oh, the picture looks great. I think we're going to be mounting it up here somehow, somewhere. Yeah, we got a picture.
Awesome.
So,
it works.
And there's audio.
Yeah, I know there's audio.
I didn't realize there was audio, so.
We can keep it on auto just to make sure our fog lights are on.
Nice, that's actually easier.
Yeah, I prefer just push
Because
the
when
button
you
to the
shut
fog
it off,
lights.
the fog lights automatically shut off.
Yeah, so that's how this is going to work, folks. Good deal.
Very nice.
Let's go finish putting this together. So now all I got to do is feed this stuff through here, which seems a lot easier than the last one. Couple of ways to mount this. You can put a hard bracket up in here, which I don't want to tear this apart to do, but they also give you this bracket that has 3M adhesive on the bottom and some adhesive promoter. And I think we're just going to set it back in here and figure it out where it's close to the window, but not right up against it so it doesn't rattle. We got to figure it out.
Mount it on here and then let's rough fit it before we stick it anywhere.
Well, that's what it looks like. This literally just hang on. I don't know if you can see. This literally slides right into here. And you slide it up where you need it. You can adjust the angle, but I think we're going to keep it down. Then you just tighten it like so.
So if you want to take it and store it while you're not in the truck, is there a quick way of doing that?
I don't know. I don't think so.
So the screen's just out there permanently.
We can literally put this in the back and set it like this.
Yeah, as far back as it can go.
That's about as far back as it'll go.
Okay.
Then we can see it, and then we just got to deal with this stuff. But that's not a big deal. We can't go too far back. It creates a gap because it's curved. So right there is the furthest back we can go.
Okay.
Just don't go too far
Yeah,
back.
I'm not going to set anything down yet until I have an idea that we're right on it.
I think that's it right there. Yep, that's it right there.
Okay.
Put some pressure on that back.
So HaloView was so kind to send us this product. We want to do a review on it, but we want to give it some time. This is just the install video. If you guys are interested, we're going to put it in our Amazon link. I think it's going to be something that we wish we would have done when we first bought this camper, because like Mike said earlier, we did lose an e-bike off the back of our camper and we had no idea that that happened. If we would have had this camera installed then, we would have been okay, but you know, it is what it is, so you just have to move forward. So maybe one day we will carry again back there, but for right now, we just want to take the camera, enjoy what we have, and just see where it kind of takes us.